Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given triangles, two right angle triangles to be more specific, and some of the sides that are given. And we are tasked to find CD and AB. So to find CD, right, I'm going to look at this red color triangle. And at this triangle, do take note that I am going to just, for part A, draw out this triangle out so that it's neater and easier. I will have CDB, where BC is 12, angle CBD is 60 degrees. So with that in mind, 60 degrees here, I'm going to identify the sides. I need to find this length CD, and H is my 12, and with 3, so let's decide which ratio to use. I got O, because I need to find CD. I got H, 12, O and H. Yes, I'm going to use my sine ratio. So sine 60 degree is equals to opposite, in this case my length CD, over H, hypo, 12. So therefore I will be able to get my length of CD pretty straightforward, multiply by 12 on both sides. So therefore my answer, after I press my calculator, 10.3923 to 6 significant figures followed by 3 significant figures. Now for part B, I'm going to look at my blue color triangle, and with this blue color triangle, I'm tasked to find my length AB, which is my H. I've got BC 12, and that is the angle here that I'm going to use. So this one will be my adjacent side. So with 3, so I got my OA and my H. Yep, I'm going to tap on my cosine ratio. A is 12, H is my AB. So in this case, I'm going to multiply by AB on both sides and divide by cosine 60 degrees on both sides. And this will be the working that we will see. Okay? And so 12 divided by cosine 60, this will give me a value of 24 cm. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.